Today is Kili's birthday. She turned 6. Hello. Hi. You excited about all your presents? Kili got her outdoor aviary refitted with new stuff. Ooh, good stuff, huh? You like that, huh? Hey, Kili, what do you think? Goodies. So Kili is now a 6-year-old female Senegal Parrot. This bird has been on many TV shows, been to over 10 states all over the country, on national TV, on foreign TV. She's a famous birdie. Hi. Excited, huh? You having a good time outside today, all by yourself? For Kili, it's a special treat to get to hang out by herself or just with me, because normally she has to be with the other birds, and she'd much rather be by herself or just with me than to have to put up with Truman and Sandina. Hi. Happy birthday, Kili. You're a big birdie now, huh? Say hello to all your fans. Hello. Wave. Hi. Kili's being real active and enjoying her new aviary stuff. What are you doing, silly bird? Happy birthday, birdie. Who's a birthday birdie today? Whose birthday is it today? Whose birthday is it today? Happy birthday, sunshine.